we have to use real gas. Yeah. And if you have real gas, actually it's quite simple. Yeah. From PV and RT, you can use PV. Now you have Z factor. Yeah. PV, Z, and RT. So Z is actually compressibility. Yeah. Compressibility factor or Z factor. It's actually actual volume divided by ideal volume. Yeah. Real volume divided by the ideal gas volume. So that's Z factor. But to know the Z factor, you need to know this pseudo reduced pressure and pseudo reduced temperature. Yeah. This is just a correlation property. Yeah. Here. So pseudo reduced pressure is pressure divided by pseudo critical pressure. Yeah. The same with temperature. Have multi-component. Yeah. If you have multi-component, then the pseudo critical pressure can be calculated using this formula. Pseudo critical temperature can be calculated using this formula. Okay, don't be afraid. It is quite simple actually. Yeah. So apa sih PC, apa sih PPC, so apa sih PPR? It's okay. Yeah. You can just understand this, but it's important. So PPC and TPC do not represent the actual critical properties of the gas mixture. Yeah. PPC and TPC are used only as correlating parameters to generate gas property. Yeah. So PPC and TPC is just a correlating parameter. Yeah, this is not a real critical property. Yeah, again, yeah, this is to break down between single component and multi-component. Using law of corresponding states, dia mengatakan all pure gases have identical physical properties at the same values of reduced pressure and temperature. Jadi ini sangat penting. Dia mengatakan bahwa semua pure gas itu misalnya CH4, CH4, CO2, semua yang pure gas, ya, walaupun mereka berbeda komponen, beda identity, beda CO2, CH4, nitrogen, oksigen, H2S, ya, walaupun mereka berbeda properti, but they will have identical physical properties yang sama ya ketika mereka punya pressure, reduced pressure and reduced temperature. They will have same property. Okay, so use pseudo reduced pressure and pseudo reduced temperature. For single component, you use this formula for pressure and temperature. But for multi-component, you will have pseudo reduced. Yeah, here you have reduced pressure, reduced temperature. For multi-component, it's not pure ya. Multi-component, it's not pure. You will have pseudo reduced. Pseudo reduced pressure like this, pseudo reduced temperature like this. The equation is quite the same. P per PPC, the shape the same ya. P per PC, this one P per PPC. And you can calculate the P per PPC with this formula. N is mole fraction. Okay, so like this, if you have component C1, C2, C3, and then C4, you know the mole fraction, yeah? You know the mole fraction, you know from the library, yeah, from the literature, you know the critical temperature, you know the critical pressure for each pure component, ya. Jadi ini pure nih, pure C1, pure C2, pure C3. You know the TC, yeah. You know the TC, you know the PC, and then you can just calculate N multiplied by TC here. N multiplied by PC here. And then you just sum them up nih. TPC-nya total, PPC-nya total. So very simple. Okay. And then you can use that using this chart to know the Z factor, to know the compressibility. Yeah. This is not very clear. I can show you this. So if you have PPR, after you calculate PPR, and then you know the TPR, you can know the Z factor. So if your PPR is 6, yeah, you can just go up. And then, for example, your TPR is 1.05. Yeah, you will meet this line and you go to the left. From here, you go to the left. Then more or less Z factor is 0.7. 0.75, for example, here. Z factor is 0.75. So you can use this into this equation. PV, Z nRT, and Z is 0.75. Yeah. Z is very, very important. Yeah, Z is very, very important. It will be used to estimate other parameter. This is a standing equation, yeah. Standing equation using this chart. Based on the correlation, you can know if you have natural gas, kita bisa menghitung dengan gampang TPC-nya berapa, PPC-nya, you can use this equation to calculate. If you have gas condensate, then you can use this formula. Yeah, TPC is 187 plus 330 multiplied by this one. This is gas specific gravity, yeah. Gas specific gravity minus 71.5 multiplied by specific gravity squared. Yeah. So you can just use this equation, pakai ini aja equation-nya supaya kita dapat TPC and PPC. Dari TPC and PPC, we can know the reduced, ya, pseudo reduced, and then we can calculate the Z factor. Or we can also use this easy to use Ahmad equation, yeah, Ahmad equation. You can just use this directly, Z factor. But you need to first calculate the PPR and PPR, of course. Yeah, everything here are only PPR and TPR. So if you have calculator, if you have computer, this equation is actually simple. Yeah.